Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again with another edition. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching my video. I always salute for all. Now please, if you are new to my channel, watching my video for the first time, please, I'm pleading with you, just hit the red subscribe button down there and turn on the post notification so that when I upload any new video, you'll be the first to notify. Yeah, let's just right on straight to business. Yeah, due to this banning of foreign music in Cameroon, like things like that is, it should play 80% Cameroon music and 20% foreign music. That we support our own. Yeah, we support our own fully. Yeah, we support our own. But there is a problem. Fans are complaining that Cameroonians are not giving them what they want to listen. That's the fans, they are complaining that Cameroonian musicians are not giving them what they want. That is why they are consuming more foreign music than our local music. You know, as an artist, or if you are as a musician, you're supposed to dish what your consumer needs. Give them exactly what they want to listen, what they want, exactly what they want to consume. It will make them ask for more. It will make them ask for more. Why? Because you are providing them with the available material at the right time and making it spicy that they want to consume more and more and coming for more all the times. Yeah, so it's my own opinion. Yeah, my own opinion. Because they say everyone opinions count. This is my own opinion. What Cameroonian musicians they need to do what they need to do. They should sing good music. They should improve on their beats and sing good music. What I mean to say, because you know, if your music has a very good beat, nice and good beat, it will even if I don't understand what you are saying, so far as the beat is really good, improve on their beat, the beat is really nice, it will make me to listen to more and more of your music, because what attracts me to your music is the beat in your beat. It's your beat. So many people are listening to Naira Marley music, not because they are understanding what Naira Marley is singing, just because of the beats of Naira Marley music. I, for one, I'm listening to Tanzanian music. They sing mostly in Swahili, in their language. Diamond Platnumz, I'm listening mostly Diamond Platnumz music. Most Diamond Platnumz, I'm listening to it. Why? Because the music, Diamond Platnumz have a very nice beat in his music. Very nice beat. That's the first thing. Give good music, and your beats work on Cameroonian. They need to work on their beats. They need to work fully on their beats and provide good and work on their music. Secondly, English. Most of West African countries, East African countries, North African countries, they consider Cameroon as a French country. They don't know that Cameroon is also speaking in English. Cameroonians have English, are speaking in English too. They consider Cameroon as a French country totally. Because why? Most of our Cameroonian artists are singing now totally in French. Even the Anglophone artists, they are singing in French. They should sing in English. When they sing in English, you will see most of these West African, East African countries, they will start listening to Cameroon music. It's my own opinion. Because most of them are complaining that Cameroon is a French country. I have a Nigerian friend, he said Cameroon is a French country, he cannot listen to French music. He cannot listen to French music, he don't have anything to do with French music. Because why? All our Anglophone artists, they now sing in French. French. Number 3, they should do collabo with foreign artists. Although it needs a lot of fun to collaborate with foreign artists, Person like Diamond Platnumz, when Diamond Platnumz want to come out from the limelight, he collaborated with Davido, his first music, Sweetie Number One, Sweetie Sweetie. If you know that music, he collaborated with with Davido. That is the music. That music bring out Diamond Platnumz. Diamond Platnumz. That music will bring out Diamond Platnumz. Cameroonian artists, they need a lot of they need to collaborate with more and more foreign artists. That's number 3. And then they should come up with new strategies. Number 4, come up with new strategies. Why? When I mean new strategies, that means they should develop something that has never existed. With new strategy, something that has never existed. They should come out with it, create their own brand. When you create your own brand, more people will want to know more about that brand. They will want to know more about that brand. They will go deep inside to know more about that brand. Look like Zanku Dance. Zanku Dance, Zlatan came out with that dance. Leg Walk, Zlatan came out with that. It's a dance that nobody know about it. He developed it. More people, even us Cameroonians, we are down vibing to that dance, Zanku. Why are we vibing to that dance? Because it's something that nobody has ever come out with it, and he just came out with that. It's creativity. Look like Azonto from Ghana. Azonto dance, Azonto. Let me do my Zonto, Azonto. So it went viral. So many countries in Africa listening to that very music. Because why? They dance, they vibe to the dancing system. Azonto, Leg Walk by Naira Marley. You see, when you come up with something that no one has ever come out with it will make you, it will boast you. That is why they know Naira Marley so much, because of that Leg Walk. The Leg Walk dance. So they should develop new strategies that will come out with something that has never been done by anybody. It will make people want to know more about that brand. Number 4, passion or music. Are you in music because you have the passion for music, or you are into music because you want to make some money? That is 2 different things. Anybody that is in music that want to because of money will never go anywhere. Because why? You will be concentrating more on the money part than the music part, because you want to make music just to have cash, just to have something, you have money. It will make you now to concentrate more on the money part and forget about the music part. You understand the logic? Because now, if I'm concentrating more on the money, I want to have more money. I will not instead for me to sit down and create something that will attract more people. I will instead just create anything because I know I will just make a little cash and then forget about it, and I'll go again next time and make another one again. So Cameroonian artists, are you in music because of passion, or you are into music because of money? Any artist that is into music because of passion, he has passion for music, he will take time to produce good music because he has that passion for music. He will take his or her time to produce good music for his fans, for his consumers, for her fans. These are 2 different things. 2 different people. You will see any person that into music because of passion will succeed in music more than someone who is in music because of money. Number 5, Cameroonian artists need a lot of work to do. A lot of work. That is a lot of work to do. They need a lot of work to do. Cameroonian music industry is down at the bottom today because they are sleeping. Yeah, but let me just say they are sleeping. They need a lot of work to do. Cameroonian music industry need a lot of work. They need a lot, because in order to stand out in the world of music today, you must be number one, not number two. Because they are in the world of music today, a lot of competition from so many countries. How many countries are in the world? How many countries? So different musicians from different countries. So if you want to stand out in the world of music today, you have to be very strong. Cameroon industry, they need a lot of work to stand out. They need a lot of work to stand out in the world of music. So they should not just come on. The thing is vexing me. We will see some artists who can't stand the gig, talk say this. Put in that work, produce good music, and then you see the magic. You see the magic. Forget about all this. Sit down, write a good song, push a good song out, and then you will see that magic. Cameroonian artists, they need a lot of work to do. A lot of work. That's my own piece of advice and my own opinion. A lot of work need to be done by them. And our entertainment industry, our DJs, our producers, our beat makers, they need to improve on their skill. They need to improve. Our beats are nothing. We don't produce good beats. They need to improve on their work. It's their work. They need to improve on it. And also, number 6, the fans. You need to support. You need to support. Because if artists don't sing some song, they don't make mistake, which will be our own for encourage the artist. Encourage the song, yes. If you encourage the song, okay, I don't encourage the song. In this song, some certain mistake they will make for this position. You need to correct and so. Your beats will be then and so. You be sing more than you be single, and then your beats before your beats follow over back. For so and so step. So you go make the artist now. He go one for correct the mistake next time. Don't I say some fan you can blast without even even talk the how the artist go, which side the artist go wrong. You can blast going without telling the artist, okay, you went wrong this so and so position, so and so part, so that the artist will correct that. Fans and we Cameroonian fans and we cause some, we cause these things. We cause to the downfall of Cameroon music. Cameroon music they go down and down every day. The fans and they contribute. You know, because it's not only the artists only the artists them. No, only the artists them. All the artists do the sing good music to when the fans and they listen up. Because when the fans listen good music, we always appreciate good music. That's why most Cameroonian today they listen to foreign music. Because they always complain, Cameroonian, they need to sing good music, they need to sing club music. So don't be for club and then they listen MS Low, can't listen at Die House, no. Yeah, Cameroonian musicians, artists, or entertainers, we need a lot of work to do in order to stand out in the world of music. That's my piece of advice for you people. You people need a lot of work to do. Yeah, that's my own opinion. Yeah, excuse. So guys, thank you very much to create our time to watch my video. Please if you are new to my channel, watch my video for the first time, please with you just subscribe and beg. I need subscribers at the back now, all day. Any my video now, the back. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you. Goodbye.